I've never been to India. I've never been to any country in Asia or Europe. But hello,
Hello,
how are you?
I'm good, great. What about you?
I'm great. Thanks for asking. What's your name?
My name is Mandeep.
Mandeep. Nice to meet you. I'm Bennett.
Nice to meet you too. From
Where are you
from
from? You're
okay,
from India?
I'm from India. I'm from India.
Okay.
A- And from where you are?
I'm from the United States.
Nice, great, great.
Yeah.
Where do you live there in United States?
I actually don't live in the United States. I was born there, but I live in Colombia right now.
Okay, okay. So after like how many years you have been living in Colombia?
This will be my fourth year in Colombia.
Okay. So before that you were living in like in America?
No, I've been living in different places, Panama, Ecuador, Peru, and Mexico briefly.
So
So,
you have been visited many places.
yeah, been traveling since I graduated university.
So do you like traveling or like is there any work? There was work, so you had to travel.
I just really enjoy it. I decided to become an English teacher so that I could travel and work at the same time.
Okay, nice, nice, great. Like me too.
My students always ask me that question: how do I improve my English? But I mean, the short answer is that you have to practice every day, right? You have to, especially your communication skills, speaking and listening, right?
Speaking
Um,
and
yeah, you need to find a way to practice every day. Um, find like a podcast that you like or a YouTube channel that you like.
okay,
Listen to English every day, and that will also improve your vocabulary.
okay. I will try. I will
Yeah.
do. I will do. I will do. You are living in Colombia. Okay. So like why were you living there nowadays? Like you are teaching or you are doing what?
Well, like I said, I'm an English teacher, so I work in
Okay.
schools and I teach English to Spanish speakers.
Okay. So do you know Spanish as well?
Yes, I know Spanish as well.
Okay. If I want to teach in another country, so I need to learn their language as well.
Yes.
So it will be very
Yeah.
difficult for me because I am learning English nowadays, and how I will I complete my English and then I will learn another language. It will be very tough for me.
Yeah. I mean,
Okay.
it's not easy. Like language learning is a very complex process.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Ma'am, can we discuss one thing? Like, where are you living? Okay, so have you visited India and where are you living? Like, in that place. So, what the young people do there, and usually, what kind of job do they do, and what the struggles in their life? Can we discuss on it?
I've never been to India. I've never been to any country in Asia or Europe, but I've only traveled in North and South America.
Okay, okay,
Yeah, but right now I live in a city on the coast of Colombia called Barranquilla, and most people here. Actually, it's a big city, and there are many kinds of jobs that you can have.
okay.
The biggest industry in Colombia is exporting oil, exporting coffee, exporting many things.
Okay. So, it is the part of America as well. It is part like it comes in America.
Okay, so Colombia is an independent country
Okay,
in in the continent of South America.
okay,
So like in North America, you have the United States, Canada, Mexico, right?
okay.
Yeah.
So like it is also, it is not the part of America, but it is an independent country.
Yeah, it's an independent country.
Okay.
Yes.
So what the young people do usually there, like what kinds of opportunity they have there, and what the struggle do they do?
Um, they mostly, excuse me, young people here. If they speak some English, they might work at a call center. And the call centers are foreign companies, so they pay a little bit better than Colombian jobs.
Okay.
And But besides that, there are many things that young people can do. They can work in offices, they can work in restaurants, they can work wherever they want, really.
So like in your field, and in your field and in other fields, like what the struggles they have, they face usually in their work.
Sure. I think a lot of the struggles in Colombia is that salaries are very low. I think that's
Okay.
part of what makes things very difficult for Colombians. Like, even if you are working, you're not making a lot of money at your job.
Okay. Okay. So like it is quite difficult to earn money.
Yes. Yeah, that's basically it.
It is quite difficult to earn money. Okay. There.
Yes.
So if you have good English, so you can work in a company there. You can work in a company. Okay. And like if I want to ask one thing, like as you are English teacher, so have not decided to work in a company,
In a company?
or like in any, before coming into the teaching, like have you decided, or like since childhood you want to become a teacher?
You mean like before being a teacher, did I
uh,
want to do work for a company?
yes.
Um, Actually, when I was in university, I got my teaching certificate. Like, I knew I was going to teach and I knew I was going to travel. So I've never done another job, is what I'm trying to say.
So what the problem you face in your profession, ma'am? If you don't mind, sir, I can ask this thing. Like if what the profession you face usually in your profession?
Sure. I think the most common problem that I face is like my students generally have very low English levels. And they, because in their schools, for example, many schools in South America, they speak Spanish, but they teach English in schools, but
Okay.
they only teach grammar. They don't teach kids
The
how to
local
speak.
people, the local people also speak Spanish there, where you are living nowadays.
Yeah, where
They
I
speak
live now, people speak Spanish.
Spanish. They don't know English.
Most people don't. They don't know English.
Okay. Okay. I got to
Yes.
know. So, I think there is more opportunity for English teacher there
Yeah. Yeah, there's a great opportunity for English teachers in South America.
in South America. Great. So, like
Yeah.
you know two languages, Spanish and like English. That's why you are able to teach there more.
Yes, exactly.
Great. Yeah. So, ma'am, I was thinking that if I want to go near to like in above the China, there is a country what Bangkok. Okay.
Yeah.
So I can go there to work, like if I have good English, but I have to learn, I think, Chinese before that.
Yeah, probably Mandarin. We are running out of time, but it was very nice to meet you.
Yes. Nice to meet you too, ma'am.